much. So the city took additional steps today to combat the spread of coronavirus, shutting down multiple transportation systems until further notice. Among those, the Cincinnati Streetcar, which had continued to run throughout the last 2 weeks as other public transit systems scaled back service. WCPO 9 News reporter, transportation reporter, I should say, Pat LaFleur, has been following this today. He's joining us now from over the Rhine. Pat, what did the mayor have to say about this?
That's right, Tanya. Now we're at the streetcar stop here at Findlay Market. And, starting tomorrow, we're not going to see any streetcars coming by here. And that's because amid both public health and city budget concerns, officials announced today that they'd be stopping Cincinnati Bell Connector service until further notice. Now, part of the rationale in closing the streetcar traces back to a looming $60 to $80 million budget gap expected as a result of the coronavirus. Mayor John Cranley said today all city resources need to be focused on critical services like police, fire, and water. But even more so, he said the decision was made to protect public health.
We are closing the streetcar during this time to protect the public from increased exposure risks to COVID-19, which can survive on metal and other hard surfaces that are routinely used by streetcar riders. Similarly, we are shutting down bike share and scooters because it is nearly impossible to ensure that they are clean between each ride.
Now, as you just heard, the mayor said that they're shutting down our bike share, that's Red Bike, as well as electric scooter rentals until further notice as well. He did mention that Cincinnati Metro bus service is still going and recommends anyone who uses these services take the bus instead. For now, we're reporting live from over the Rhine. Pat LaFleur, WCPO 9 News.